Shorty Kiss TV.
Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? What would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast? It's time to get dressed. It's time to get dressed. Brush your teeth, please. Brush your teeth, please. Pack your backpack for school. Pack your backpack for school. Do you have your lunch? Do you have your lunch? Eat slowly, honey. Eat slowly, honey. You did a great job. You did a great job. Save your allowance. Save your allowance. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. How was your day? How was your day? Do you have homework? Do you have homework? Mom, I want to eat more. Mom, I want to eat more. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Time for a bath. Time for a bath. Pick up your toys, please. Pick up your toys, please. Sweet dreams, my love. Sweet dreams, my love. It's time for bed, turn off the TV. It's time for bed, turn off the TV. Don't worry, things will get better. Don't worry, things will get better. I'm here for you, no matter what. I'm here for you, no matter what. Do your homework before TV time. Do your homework before TV time. Fold your clothes. Fold your clothes. Be quiet, your sister is sleeping. Be quiet, your sister is sleeping. Close the fridge door. Close the fridge door. Help with the dishes. Help with the dishes. Let mom help you pack your backpack. Let mom help you pack your backpack. I'm always here for you. I'm always here for you. You're getting so big. You're getting so big. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. Help your brother hang the clothes out to dry. Help your brother hang the clothes out to dry. Don't pull on mom's hand. Don't pull on mom's hand. Let's go to school together. Let's go to school together. Let's go to the hair salon together. Let's go to the hair salon together. Always wear your helmet when riding your bike. Always wear your helmet when riding your bike. Let's create a new dance move. Let's create a new dance move. Let's go feed the ducks at the pond. Let's go feed the ducks at the pond. You're my little hero. You're my little hero. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hang up your coat. Hang up your coat. Don't jump. Don't jump. Do you like this dress? Do you like this dress? Make sure your homework is in your backpack. Make sure your homework is in your backpack. Share your toys with your brother. Share your toys with your brother. Say thank you when you receive something. Say thank you when you receive something. Apologize when you're wrong. Apologize when you're wrong. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove. Be respectful to your elders. Be respectful to your elders. Mom, I'm hungry. Mom, I'm hungry. Don't talk with food in your mouth. Don't talk with food in your mouth. Always wear your seatbelt. Always wear your seatbelt. How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? Set the table. Set the table. Let's make up, you two. Let's make up, you two. Do it. Do it. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Be nice to your sister. Be nice to your sister. Put away your clothes. Put away your clothes. Look both ways before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Use your inside voice. Use your inside voice. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Don't run in the house. Don't run in the house. Finish your vegetables. Finish your vegetables. Get ready for bed. Get ready for bed. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. No dessert until you finish your dinner. No dessert until you finish your dinner. Let the dog out. Let the dog out. Call me when you get there. Call me when you get there. Be home by curfew. Be home by curfew. Don't slam the door. Don't slam the door. Leave your brother alone. Leave your brother alone. Eat over your plate. Eat over your plate. Don't move. Don't move. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Don't yell. Don't yell. Apologize to your brother. Apologize to your brother. Don't forget to bring your lunchbox, honey. Don't forget to bring your lunchbox, honey. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. You're so creative. You're so creative. Make your bed. Make your bed. Sweetie, please sit on the potty. Sweetie, please sit on the potty.